Good evening, traders. Thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the oil chart here via USO, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and hopefully you come away from this video with some extra knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on oil. But first, if you're not already a member, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better, www.thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up for the membership, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch list, the real-time profitable trade alerts, which are not only given in the live chat room, but also for those of you that have jobs, or maybe you just don't want to be in front of the computer screen all day long. You're going to get those alerts via text message and email. You're also going to get the exclusive member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. All right, so let's get going with this USO chart. I'm going to go over some levels, where I think it's headed, and what I think you should be looking for here on oil. So first of all, congrats if you've been following along with our oil call here. We've liked oil short ever since these couple of days over here. That's exactly what has happened. USO and oil has met our downside targets already today. In fact, we cashed out very profitably on some puts here via USO, and that was a nice win for myself and for the rest of our members. So I'm going to go over the chart here and some levels that we need to be looking at here. So personally, we're kind of in the middle zone right here. This is not really an area where I would be initiating new shorts or new longs. I think the best area for new longs is going to be a little bit lower, just because of the way that we broke down here and the price action. You know, this is kind of a breakaway candle here. So I do think that we're going to be headed lower here in the short term. Again, this is not an area where I would be initiating new shorts, but I do think that we are going to be headed a little bit lower just because of the nature of this candle here. So looks like a breakdown candle, and a retest lower, a retest of this trend line. There's a touch, several touches right here, and that matches up perfectly right here with this little uptrend that we have right here. Okay, so right around $10 is going to be that potential, keyword potential, bounce zone here for oil. Oil bulls, you don't want to see these lows broken. So if these lows get broken, so I'm going to call that the low of that day 982. So about 980 is going to be the level that you want to see hold for USO. If we break 980, then more than likely this breakout that we have right here is not going to be a true breakout, and it's actually going to fail, and we're going to head lower. So you want to see 980 hold. 980 is kind of the line in the sand, and I'm talking on a closing basis. So if we close below those lows, then this little breakout here is not going to be a breakout any longer, and it's looking like this is at risk for that to happen as well. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And this coming up week is going to be a very key week for oil. Do we bounce here? Do we bounce right here? You know, we could honestly, this could be the low. But you need to pay attention to these levels, 980 key level, and then up here, if we do end up bouncing straight away, this is going to be resistance. So it was support here, and that was the short signal, and we're going to come back up. If we come back up to this level, it's going to be resistance still, so we have to see how it reacts to that level. But so this comes into, we liked oil for a long, ever since this day here. We actually took profits on our oil longs here, and then we got short over here, and now we're just kind of waiting to see the next signal on oil. So just pay attention to those levels and you should do just fine. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the homepage, get to know us a little bit better. The best part is once you sign up, you're going to get those profitable trade alerts that our members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to have you.